this is how you create a LinkedIn profile. You go to linkedin.com, set up your account with your name, email address, and password, and input the requested information that LinkedIn asks of you to create your professional online profile. Here's what linkedin.com looks like. Through the magic of technology, we've inputted our information and moved on to the next screen. It asks some more biographical information and where we work, and this is important because since LinkedIn is a professional network, where you work and where you live will be very important for LinkedIn to suggest who else you might want to connect with on this site. And it also allows other people to find you, and that's what's most important. Because a few years ago, Google was the go-to spot to find someone who had the services that our clients needed. But nowadays, they're going to LinkedIn. LinkedIn gives you the option of doing a paid or a free profile. I think for those of us who are starting out, and even myself included, I use the free option. And I think that's a great way to get started and gives you all the options you need to get up and running on this professional networking platform. And LinkedIn will ask you specific questions with all the information that you need to know to set up your account. And once you do, it will look something like this. Again, without my picture, hopefully. Now, since this is a professional site, all the information that you're going to see on my LinkedIn page is about my practice, my firm, and the type of work that I do. So as you can see on the top, it's solely biographical information. There's a summary about me. If you scroll down, you can find out about my experience and where I've worked, what organizations I've been a part of, what books, articles, and publications I've wrote, all in one spot. And you can also find where I went to school, information about awards and honors that I've received, and on the bottom, you can see skills and endorsements. And this is a really fantastic tool because other LinkedIn users can recognize you for what you are good at, whether it's litigation, intellectual property, or maybe you're really good at CrossFit. These things are all part of who we are, and LinkedIn allows your professional network to recommend you. Now, that's what the public will see. Just like Twitter and Facebook, LinkedIn also has a backend, and this is what you see when you log into your site. On the top, you'll see a box that will allow you to make LinkedIn posts, similar to posting a tweet, or similar to making a Facebook post. But this time, only you have the option to post on your LinkedIn account. Unlike those other social networking profiles, other LinkedIn users don't have the ability to post on your page, and that's what makes it a really professional, safe, and great way to network online. Below that box, you'll see my LinkedIn feed, which are other things that My LinkedIn Connections has posted. And on the right side, LinkedIn is suggesting who else I may want to connect with directly on the site. Your LinkedIn profile will look something like this, but hopefully without my name and picture. As you can see, this is basically my online resume and professional profile. On the top, there's a summary of where I work and what I do. If I scroll down the page, you can see my experience working with different law firms and different organizations. You can see articles or publications that I've written and posted directly with a link on LinkedIn. You can see where I went to law school, where I went to college, so that other people who I went to school with can find me easily on the social networking platform. And you can also list organizations and awards. And one of the best features of LinkedIn is where your professional connections can recommend your skills and expertise directly on the